CUET Current Affairs. Hello everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affair episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, what is the approximate date of the alphabetic writing discovered in Syria? 1900 BCE, 2400 BCE, 3000 BCE or 3400 BCE? The correct answer is option B, 2400 BCE. The alphabetic writing found on clay cylinders in Syria has been dated to around 2400 BCE, making it approximately 500 years older than previously known alphabetic scripts. Next question, what was the main drug tested with the robotic pill in clinical trials? Insulin, teriparatide, epinephrine or octreotide? The correct answer is option B, teriparatide. Teriparatide, a synthetic form of human parathyroid hormone used to treat osteoporosis, was tested in clinical trials to evaluate the effectiveness of the robotic pill. Next question, what is the name of the oldest surviving cub born at Kuno National Park? Nirva, Kuno, Siaya or Mukhi? The correct answer is option D, Mukhi. The oldest surviving cub is named Mukhi, who is 18 months old and was abandoned shortly after birth by its Namibian mother Siaya. Next question, what recent recognition did Narsapur crochet lace receive? Geographical indication tag, UNESCO World Heritage status, National Award for Handicrafts or Craftsmanship Excellence Award? The correct answer is option A, Geographical Indication Tag, that is GI tag. Narsapur crochet lace was awarded a GI tag which recognizes its unique cultural and economic significance, placing it among notable handloom textile products in India. Next question, what type of resources will be established to support farmers under the National Mission on Natural Farming, that is NMNF? Chemical fertilizer supply centers, urban agriculture hubs, bio-input resource centers or agricultural export offices? The correct answer is option C, bio-input resource centers, that is BRCs. The mission plans to establish around 10,000 bio-input resource centers to ensure easy access to natural farming inputs for farmers, promoting self-sufficiency in agricultural practices. Next question, what does MACE stand for in the context of the newly inaugurated telescope in Ladakh? Major Astrophysical Cosmic Experiment, Major Atmospheric Cherenkov Experiment, Multi-Angle Cosmic Exploration or Major Astronomical Cosmic Endeavor? The correct answer is option B, Major Atmospheric Cherenkov Experiment. MACE stands for Major Atmospheric Cherenkov Experiment, which is a cutting-edge gamma-ray telescope designed to study high-energy cosmic phenomena. Next question, which initiative is associated with Dr. Kurian that significantly impacted rural farmers? Green Revolution, Digital India, Operation Flood or Skill India? The correct answer is option C, Operation Flood. Operation Flood was a massive dairy development program that empowered rural farmers by establishing cooperative societies, thereby improving their economic conditions. Next question, what is the allocated budget for the continuation of the Atal Innovation Mission until March 2028? Rupees 1,500 crore, Rupees 2,000 crore, Rupees 2,750 crore or Rupees 3,500 crore? The correct answer is option C, Rupees 2,750 crore. The Union Cabinet approved an allocation of Rupees 2,750 crore for the continuation of AIM until 31st March 2028, aimed at enhancing India's innovation ecosystem. Next question, which feature will be included in the new PAN cards under the PAN 2.0 initiative? Barcodes, QR codes, RFID chips or magnetic strips? The correct answer is option B, QR codes. The upgraded PAN cards will feature QR codes to enhance security and facilitate easier access to information. Last question, what is the recent measurement of the tilt of the Earth's axis? 15 inches, 60 inches, 45 inches or 31.5 inches? The correct answer is option D, 31.5 inches. Recent studies indicate that the Earth's axis has tilted by approximately 31.5 inches, which can have various implications for climate and environmental conditions. Now is the time for practice question. Which organization will coordinate the implementation of the One Nation One Subscription, that is ONOS scheme? National Institute of Open Schooling, University Grants Commission, Information and Library Network, or All India Council for Technical Education? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.